Today's प्रार्थना ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। योग गणपति मूल मंत्र। ओम हम संगम भगवते नित्ययोगयुक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। सामरस्य प्रेयर फॉर हार्मोनी फ्रॉम ऋग्वेद। ओम संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं शम्भो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागै यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मन्त्रस्समिति समाने समानं मनस्सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानेव आकूतिः समाना हृदयानिवः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति। अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक-एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वासु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः माघ मासः कृष्णपक्षः दशमी तिथिः ज्येष्ठा नक्षत्रं हर्षण योगः भद्रकरणं बृहस्पति वासः। Today is date 12th of February 2026 Thursday. तिथे श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचांगफलमुत्तमम्। सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
Suprabhatam. We will continue Bhagavad Gita chanting. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha. Eva Muktva Hrishikesham. Eva Muktva Hrishikesham. ಪರಂತಪ ಏವಮುಕ್ತ್ವಾ ಹೃಷೀಕೇಶಂ ಗುಡಾಕೇಶಃ ಪರಂತಪ ನಯೋತ್ಸ್ಯ ಇತಿ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಉಕ್ತ್ವಾ ತೂಷ್ಣೀಂ ಬಭೂವಃ ನಯೋತ್ಸ್ಯ ಇತಿ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಉಕ್ತ್ವಾ ತೂಷ್ಣೀಂ ಬಭೂವಃ Now the entire shloka together, starting from Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha eva mukta hrishikesham gudakeshah parantapa nayotsya iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Sanjaya Uvacha eva mukta hrishikesham gudakeshah parantapa nayotsya iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Suprabhatam, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Pranams to Guruji and all the dignitaries on the dais. Let us see the word split. Sanjayah Uvacha evam uktva hrishikesham gudakeshah parantapa na yotsye iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuva ha. This is the word split. Let us see the brief meaning first. In the previous shloka, Arjuna has said, कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यत् श्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. O Krishna, I have come to your refuge. Shadhi mam, protect me, discipline me. This is what Arjuna is telling to Shri Krishna. And that narration is being done by Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. So he saw, what did he see? Evam uktva, having thus said, Hrishikesham Gudakeshah. Gudakeshah refers to Arjuna. Hrishikesha refers to Shri Krishna. Evam uktva Hrishikesham Gudakeshah Parantapa. O Parantapa, having said thus, Nayotsye. So what did he say? I will not fight. I will not fight. Nayotsye. Even in the first chapter we had seen Gandivam Sramsate Hastat, everything. Here clearly he is telling, I will not fight, I am not ready to fight. Nayotsye iti govindam uktva, having thus said to Govinda, tushnim babhuvaha, he became silent. Tushni is being silent. Tushnim babhuvaha, he became silent. Let us see the word specialities here. First of all, he is referring to Shri Krishna as Hrishikesha. The word Hrishika refers to Indriyas, our sense organs. Isha is the lord of the Indriyas, so to say. Essentially, the person who has essential control over Indriyas, the Indriyas are under his own control. Such a person is called Hrishikesha. Then we have Gudakesha. Gudakayaha Ishaha Gudakeshaha. Gudaka refers to Nidra and Alasya. These are the negative traits that we might have. So Gudaka Ishaha is Arjuna. Arjuna is the one who had conquered sleep. That's why he is being referred to as Gudakesha. Now there is one more very interesting fact here. That is, Gudakesha and Hrishikesha, it is like a alliteration, right? In English, we have a melody, or it is in poems, we have something called alliteration. Means when the same letter or the same word is repeated. So here we are seeing Hrishikesha, Gudakesha. So it is like a pun that Vyasadeva has put here. And one more thing, why are these two referred to? See, very important point here. Gudakesha is restraint on the external alasya and nidra. It is, in Yoga Sutra we have Shama, we have Dama, right? We have all these two. What are these two? Shama is the control of the sense organs, the indriyas. Dama is the external control of sense organs, of the organs. That is Dama, that is external. Shama is internal. Even in the Sadhana Chatushtaya, we have Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadamadi, Shatka Sampattihi, Mumukshutva. These are the four Sadhana Chatushtaya for entering into any higher kind of Vidya. There we have Shama, Dama, Titiksha, Uparati, Shraddha, Samadhana. So these are the 6. So there the most important is Shama. Shama Guna is the one that leads us to the higher knowledge. That is also indicated here. Hirshikesham Gudakesham Parantapa Nayotsye iti Govindam Uktva. See, till now, the first opening remark of Sri Krishna was chastising Arjuna. Kutastva kashmalamidam vishame samupasthitam anaryajustam aswargyam akirtikaram Arjuna. If you do not fight, it will not even give you swarga, no kirti, nothing. Even then, Arjuna was not satisfied with that remark of Sri Krishna. What does it indicate? It is a direction even to the parents, a hint that although the child might be behaving not accordingly to the discipline, but chastising is only the first step. That is not the entire be all and end all. So that will not satisfy the entire behavior, that will not rectify the behavior of the child. So what needs to be done? Proper upadesha needs to be given. And that proper upadesha can be given only after tushnim babhuvaha. Only after the rambling of the mind and the body is stopped. See, Arjuna till now was rambling about, oh, this will happen if I fight, this will happen, if, these are my own kith and kin. He was just going on telling his mind. But now, Nayotsye iti Govindam Uktva, having said thus, Tushnim Babhuvaha, he became silent. Although he became silent outwardly, he had so many doubts and confusions internally. So then what happened? After this shloka, in the upcoming shlokas, Sri Krishna begins his actual Upadesha, Ashocyan Anvashocastvam, in the upcoming shlokas. So in this shloka, we are seeing the point, even while counseling, that initial outbursts have to be just listened to without much reaction. And when we are immediately reacting and chastising, that may not be the complete solution to the problem that we are faced with. So that is the import of this complete shloka. Thank you very much.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha